Students, today we are going to revise Chapter 9, Internet Telephony and more. In this chapter, we have learned some Internet terms like domain name, IP address or Internet Protocol address, domain name server or DNS, top-level domains or TLDs, VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol, Skype, and podcasting. So children, in this chapter we have learned about some internet terms. First we learned what is domain name. It's a unique name that identifies an internet site. So the name of an internet site is known as domain name. We know that there are millions of internet sites available nowadays, right? For example, www.gmail.com, www.facebook.com, etc. Then we learned Internet Protocol address or IP address. Every computer on internet has a unique address as a set of 4 numbers is known as the IP address. So while we search for our domain name, this domain name will be converted to the equivalent IP address. Okay, so this IP address is a set of 4 numbers. Here you can see this is an example of IP address. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this IP address is a set of 4 numbers, and this IP address will range from 0.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. Okay. So every computer on internet has a unique address as a set of 4 numbers is known as IP address. Next, domain name server. So I have told you when we search for a domain name, this domain name will be converted to its equivalent IP address. So this process is done by domain name server. Okay. So a domain name server converts the domain name to an equivalent IP address. Next, top level domain or TLD. So these are the last components of our domain name. For example, www.geo.net. So in this domain name, the last component is .net. So this is the top level domain. Okay, top level domains or TLDs are the last components of a domain name. So different top level domains are used for different organization. .com is used for commercial enterprise. .edu is used for educational institute. .gov is used for government organization. Top-level domain net is used for network service provider, org used for non-profit organization, and info is used for informational organization. Okay, then we have learned some country codes that we are used as TLDs. If the TLD is .in, then it represents India. If the TLD is CA, it represents Canada. US represents United States, UK represents United Kingdom, FR represents France, JP represents Japan, AU represents Australia, and CN represents China. Then we learned VoIP. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. So it is the technology for transmitting voice conversations via the internet. So by using this VoIP technology, we will be able to make the voice calls via the internet. Okay, we know that we are making WhatsApp calls via the internet. So this is an example of VoIP technology. Okay, also VoIP uses dial-up or broadband internet connection to make free calls over the internet. So we will be able to use the dial-up internet connection or broadband internet connection for making the free calls over the internet. Next, Skype. Skype is a software that allows users to make telephone calls over the internet. We know that by using the Skype, we will be able to make telephone calls, video calls, and we can also do messages. Okay. Only the thing is you need an internet connection, and Skype to Skype calls are completely free. Also, Skype uses VoIP technology for making phone calls. VoIP technology means voice over internet protocol technology. So by using this VoIP technology, you will be able to make the voice conversations via the internet. So the Skype also need internet. So Skype uses VoIP technology for making phone calls. The last topic was podcasting. Podcasting means creating a podcast program or radio program and broadcast it for a personal use. That means you can create a podcast program or radio program. That means you can record your voice by using a voice recorder or iPods or computer. Okay, by using any right equipment, you will be able to record your voice, and this recorded voice can be uploaded to a server on internet. Okay, and you can broadcast it for a personal use. This is known as podcasting. So, recording your voice and uploading this recorded program to a server on internet, and you can broadcast it for a personal use. This is podcasting. Okay, and podcasters are the people who watch this program. Okay, so some of the applications like iTunes, Doppler, Happy Fish, Mad Cat Juice, etc. So by using these applications, you will be able to create your podcast program or radio program. Okay, so examples for podcasters are iTunes, Doppler, Happy Fish, etc. Clear? So podcasting means creating a podcast program or radio program and broadcast it for a personal use. So students, that's all about our chapter 9, Internet Telephony and more. So we have learned some internet terms like domain name, IP address, domain name server, top level domains, then podcasting, Skype, voice over internet protocol. So only few terms we have learned in this chapter. Okay, I hope you all understood this chapter. If you are having any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me. Thank you.